Okay, so you may have been wondering how to do those last couple questions on the 10.5 practice worksheet. We're going to do this example together so you can see how to easily solve for x and y. The first thing that you're going to do is create a system of equations. The reason is that we have our two angles that are given to us. One is the chord angle, and the other is the secant angle. But if you remember, both of these angles, when you want to talk about the relationship with the arcs, deal with these same intercepted arcs of AE and BD, or X and Y. So if I start off talking about the 85-degree angle, I know that its formula is equal to half the sum of these two arcs. So 85 is equal to 1/2 of x plus y. Now I can do the same thing for 17, but its formula is that it's half of the difference of x and y. So there's that equation. Now that we have a system, we're going to simplify it up a little bit before we solve it. And that means dealing with these two fractions. A lot of times fractions are hard for us to work with and we get tripped up in it. So the easy trick is to just multiply both sides of each equation by 2. And when you multiply 1/2 by 2, it turns into 1. So it basically disappears or gets rid of that fraction. So when I do that, 85 times 2 and 17 times 2, and now I don't have fractions over here. So now I'm ready to solve the system, and you can decide if you want to use elimination method or if you prefer substitution. I personally like the elimination method in this case because it's set up very nicely to just add the equations together and then the y's drop out. So I'm going to add, and this is what I would get, and now I can easily solve for x by dividing by 2. Now once I know this arc, I can figure out y pretty easily just plugging it into one of these equations. I'm going to plug it into the first equation and solve for y, and I get 68. And so those are the two solutions for x and y. Okay, hopefully that wasn't too bad for you guys. Okay, good luck on your practice worksheet. Bye!